You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French. Yes, this is a number. This is the number 3 in French. So how do you pronounce it? Trois. The S is silent at the end. O-I together, the letters O-I as a vowel makes the sound wa, as in ou-a, wa. So trois, trois in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, trois. The S is silent unless it's followed by another word that would start with a vowel, okay? For example, 3 ans, as in 3 years. That would be 3 ans. But just as a number, trois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.